Hello, I bought this lock on Amazon. However, it is defective as it is only... I would recommend installing this first, not doing the whole handle, just to see how this is going to work. I have fingerprint set up and the code already. The fingerprint... Oops. The fingerprint locks it.
Show it.
But the fingerprint does not unlock it. Same with my code. I'll go ahead and unlock it manually. I'll put my code in. Oops. See? It locks it just fine. However, it does not unlock it. The key will lock it and unlock it, but the fingerprint and the code just does not unlock it. Normally I would just send it back and get a replacement. However, this is the replacement. The first one did the same exact thing. So I would definitely think twice about getting this one.